Hello everybody, welcome to Teacher Clean's Mandarin Chinese class. In this lesson, we'll continue to analyze HSK4 writing test part 1. Now rearrange these words and phrases to make the correct sentence. Okay. As I said, know the vocabulary. That's the first step. What's the meaning of these? 专为老年人 So 老年人 seniors, like the keywords 提供 provide, okay, and then we have another 的 as I told you before. Whenever you see a 的 it's very likely that there will be a noun or noun phrase after this. Of course, there are exceptions, and that's what we're gonna see today. 这椅子 this chair. So this is a demonstrative pronoun, like this, that. 这 means this. 是 is to be, the same as am is are in English, but in Chinese we have only one 是 for all the to be word. Now to help you better understand, let me show you the pinyin and English. So through this lesson, you can also accumulate some words, especially if they are new to you. And 专为老年人 so here we put the words below their pinyin. Okay, so 专 means specifically or especially, right? For, like way, like this is for somebody. The for is a preposition. The elderly or the seniors, 老年人. So something is especially for the elderly. Okay, everybody try to figure out the meaning of the sentence. What does the sentence try to say? Later we're gonna construct this sentence. 提供 提供的 provided. So 提供 is a provide. We add a 的 the whole thing will act as a noun phrase, especially if the noun is omitted. 这椅子 this chair. Okay, you know, whenever you see a noun or noun phrase, you will easily know the subject and object. 是 is to be here. All right, now let's try to construct the sentence. The two steps you need to follow. Number one, usually the sentences will follow this structure, which is subject, verb, object. Like somebody does something. For example, A does B, because A can also be something does something. So here we use A does B. It's like A does something. Or today we will learn a new structure, which is A is B. Right. Actually, this is the same in English. Like she is happy. Like this is a flower. So A is B, which is also a very common sentence structure. And then the verb will become a linking verb, okay, meaning to be verb, like 是. Okay. All right, so let's try to rearrange the words. Something, okay, specifically for the elderly. This is not a noun phrase, right? It's not a noun either. This chair, 这椅子 这椅子 this is a noun. Then we put it here. Yeah, because subject and object must be nouns or noun phrases. Okay. Now the linking verb, so we have a 是 here. Is that right? Okay, and 专为老年人 this is not complete, right? Because it's not a noun phrase, so you cannot use it as object alone. But what if we put it together with 提供的, right? 专为 means especially provided for the elderly. Well, you may wonder why not put this 专为老年人 after this 提供的, because here we need a noun, right? And the truth is 专为老年人 this is not a noun. It's not a phrase, not a noun phrase, so you cannot add it over here, right? Then where is the noun? we have no more nouns. Then what about this phrase? Actually, in Chinese, there's one case, omission. Right? Omission means we are clear about the noun, then we just omit it. All right. Okay, then let's take a look. This chair is specifically provided for seniors. And that's what we're going to talk about today. This 是 and 是 something 的 phrase. This is called emphasis structure. In the sentence, you will pick the piece of information and then emphasize it. You see? Inside this emphasis, the structure is way. Way means for preposition, right? Somebody plus verb. Okay. For example, here the verb is provide, meaning provide for somebody. So the structure means, I'm gonna put this provided for somebody. Okay. You know, the English and the Chinese structure, the word order is usually the opposite. So, but you can just remember this phrase. Whenever you want to say something is provided for somebody, just use this pattern. 为 somebody plus provide 提供. Okay. So we emphasize this provide for the seniors this piece of information. And then this chair and to be is, or you can understand in this way. This chair equals, this is a long phrase, right? Long adjective phrase. And because we omitted this something, what is this noun that we omit? It is a thing or chair. Right? So we don't need to say this chair is especially provided for seniors chair. We just omit that noun or thing here. All right, so and then we get the correct sentence, but we have to double check the logic, right? Guess the meaning. Does it make sense? This chair is provided, is specifically provided for the seniors. Okay, that's correct. And then after we learn this 是 whatever 的, now let's use this structure to analyze more sentences. For example, like this book is for you. Now the subject is 这本书. Okay, that's easy to understand. And for or was sent to you. 送给 is sent or send. Here is a passive voice. This book was sent to you. 送 usually means gift. You give somebody a gift. All right, and then actually if you remove the 是的, the sentence still works, right? This book was sent to you, but you add this 是的 to emphasize this book is specifically for you as a gift, right? That's why it is called the emphasis structure. 这本书是送给你的. This book is for you as a gift, of course. But what about this one? If you want to say that activity is prepared for international students, so here we use the we again, right? For somebody. Preposition. Preposition is often placed before noun. Right? In English, it's the same. For you, for me, for it. So this is we, for. Again, that activity, 那个活动. Okay, demonstrative pronoun again. 那 and then before this pronoun and this noun, we have a measure word. And the most commonly used measure word is a 个. So that activity, 那个活动. And is prepared for. Remember this pattern. We provided for somebody. So here they just changed the 提供 provided to prepare. Okay, so prepare for somebody with somebody plus 准备. So that's the structure inside this emphasized information. Be prepared for 留学生 international students. Okay. Yeah. That means that activity is prepared for international students. Then we just add this 是 and 的 to emphasize this information, specifically for them. If you remove the 是 and 的, it still works. That activity, 那个活动为留学生准备. All right, guys. So today you learned a new structure. 是 something 的. You can use this to make your own sentence or do new test. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. And this is teacher Clint. Enjoy learning.